Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are seeing your mobile phone is lagging too much and heating too much, how you can fix these problem in your smartphone, in this video I will tell you. So watch till the end. So firstly friends, you have to not uh, charge too much at 100%. If you just keep charging at the 100%, it will degrade your smartphone. Secondly, you can do is click on settings, click on search, and write here refresh rate. So you have to check the refresh rate of your smartphone. So as you can see here, it is 60 hertz and 90 hertz. If you have chosen 90 hertz all the time and you are not playing the games, so click on 60 hertz. If you are playing games, you can click on 90 hertz for better performance. So you can select 60 hertz first, and then you can do is you can do a software update or system updates. Keep apps up to date for better performance, and there will be no lag issue in future. Then friends, you can just turn off automatically updates, so it will not hang your device in between you are using it. So these are the steps you can keep in mind to keep your phones away from these problems. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.